Hi, I'm Sunny from Fruitful Trade. Glad to meet you again. Many friends left me messages saying that they were very interested in how purchasing agents work. How does the purchasing agent control the quality of my products? How to ensure the safety of my funds? So today I will show you the whole process of an order from quotation to final receiving the goods. Are you ready? Let's go. First of all, let's meet our two colleagues. This is Wendy.
Hello, I'm Wendy from Fruitful Trade.
This is 𝗧𝗶𝗺
Hi, I'm 𝗧𝗧.
Today, both Wendy and 𝗧𝗧 have their own different customers, asking them to go to Yiwu market to make an inquiry and provide a quotation. Well, let's invite them to introduce the requirements of their customers.
Okay, my customer manages a large chain store. He requests me to search for some hair accessory for him. So I'm going to Yiwu International City, A district, where the products he needs looking for.
My client is different from Wendy's. The product he is looking for non-wheel bag. The client wants stock and the price need to very cheap. So today I'm going to Yiwu stock market.
Okay, so today we are going to follow the two and find out how they work. Let's go. Generally speaking, customers have two choices. One is that customers come directly to Yiwu market and our colleague will accompany you to work together. The advantage of this method is that customers can directly see the quality of products and can directly choose what kind of products they like. But they have to come directly to Yiwu market. The other is like what we do now. We help customers find the right products. The advantage of this method is that customers do not have to come to Yiwu market in person, especially at present. Many foreigners cannot enter China under coronavirus disease. However, the premise of this method is that customers need to provide clear purchasing objectives, such as product pictures, purchasing quantity, packaging requirements, and delivery time requirements, so that we can find the right suppliers and products according to the requirements of customers.
老板娘，这一款多少钱
2块钱。
装箱量是一件会装多少
600卡。
起订量呢
起订量1200卡。
1200卡。这样子一件会有体积有多少？
体积0.04。
然后做货期要多久？
做货期大概15天。
可以混色的，对不对？
可以。
好，行。
Okay, now let's go and see what happens to 𝗧𝗧. In Yiwu, there is a special market for the sale of stock goods, and now I'm in this place, Yiwu 𝗬 Stock Street. There are more than 700 stores specializing in various stock sales. Let's follow 𝗧𝗧 to check.
Hi.
Briefly introduce the business model of this stock market. When the factory wants to sell some stock goods as soon as possible due to order cancellation or financial pressure, these suppliers will buy all kinds of stocks from factories all over China at a very low price, and then slowly sell these goods in this market.
老板娘你好，麻烦看一下这个东西你有吗？这款产品？
这个有的，
有的是吧？我想问一下，你们这个是什么价格呀？
我看一下，我什么价格我也忘了，我得看。
啊，就是这款产品是吧？
这个是6毛5的。
6毛5，我问一下，这个你们是现货是库存的呀？
现货的，现货的。
是混色混款的还是怎么样？
这个是单色吧？
就单色，全部所有大货都是这一个颜色。
这个是单色。这个是单色，它有的是混色，有的这个是单色，有的是单色。啊，
行，好的，好的，好，我可以拿笔记一下吗？
可以的，可以的。
Let's briefly introduce the characteristics of this market. Number 1, the price is very low, even lower than the factory cost price. Number 2, you can negotiate the price and take the goods away immediately for stock items. Number 3, the product itself has the logo and the packing of other brands. Number 4, you can't customize. For example, you only want some colors or some styles. The suppliers won't agree. You have two choices: buy them all or don't buy them. Number 5. The quality is uneven. If you have strict quality requirements, it is recommended that you do not buy the products here. Number 6. There is no after-sales service. Okay, Wendy and 𝗧𝗶𝗺 have finished their work today. They need to go back and sort out the quotation to their customers. Let's see how they make quotation for their customers. Okay, Wendy, you are making a quotation to the customer, right?
Yes.
Is there anything you need to pay attention to?
Yes, I need to put all the information I got in the market today into an Excel for the convenience for the customer. In this Excel, I need to record the product's item number, picture, price, packing weight, CBM, and so on. They are the most basic. Some customers have special requirements, such as customer packing, don't accept certain colors, and so on, which we need a special remark.
I have the finished quotation in my hand, which record all kinds of product information in detail. Customers can pick out the products they are interested in and place an order, and let us know what your requirements are. Some customers need to change packaging, customize logo. Some need to customize product color, and so on. We will ask the factory produce according to the customer's requirements. When the customer confirms the order and send the deposit, we will make a contract with the supplier to place an order. Let's go with Wendy. Now we come to Yiwu market with Wendy. We will bring 2 contracts with us, which will be signed by both parties. One for us to keep and one for the supplier. We will write clearly in the contract product quality requirements, packaging requirements, delivery date, and mention our warehouse address in Yiwu, and pay the supplier 30% deposit to let them start production. Okay, after the contract is signed, we are waiting for the goods to be received, right?
Yes, but before receiving the goods, we have a lot of other documentary works to do. Because in the process of making goods, all clients and the factory will have a lot of problems. So we need to try our best to find a way to solve all problems for clients and for factories.
Okay, I just see you have given some cards and OPP bags to the suppliers, right?
Yes, you can see our card have our client's brand. Different clients have different brand. So what we need to do is making the cards and give the cards to factory so they can finish packing.
But why don't you just let the factory do it?
There are 2 reasons. One reason is that because we do all cards together, the price will be much cheaper. The second reason is that some factories is not willing to do the card. If we do this card, the card is right, and the factory just do is packing.
Usually 15 to 25 days after the contract is signed, the factory will send the goods to our warehouse. At this time, our QC team will inspect and receive the goods. As you can see, we will check and receive our goods according to our contract. As you can see, when we look at the contract, we can see that this product is beach shorts, and we require assorted size in 1 dozen and assorted designs in 1 woven bag. So our colleagues now start to check the quality, size, color, hand tag, and the packaging of this product. After that, we will take inspection photos, which will be used as evidence of our inspection and sent to our customers. We will also check whether the quantity of products is correct and need to record the size, weight, and some other information of the outer carton. With this information, we can make customs documents, such as invoice and packing list. And we will stick the shipping mark on the carton according to the customer's requirements. Let's take a look at these shipping marks. The front is printed with the customer's information, and the side is printed with the item number, quantity, weight, carton size, and so on. With this information, the customer will be very convenient to receive the goods. Because we have done a lot of work in the early stage, such as contract, documentary, and so on, so by the last link, there won't be a big problem. But sometimes we find some small problems. We will also report the situation to the customer at the first time, and wait for the customer's decision. If the customer does not accept, the factory will not get any payment. Therefore, if there are problems such as shortage of quantity and quality, we will find them. That's why we dare to make a commitment to our customers. If there are quality or shortage problems, we will bear 100% of the customer's losses. After receiving goods, we will make customs documents such as invoice and packing list. Customers can choose to ship by sea, air, or international express. We will send the goods to customers. In addition, we also provide perfect after-sales service. Some customers hope to provide perfect product pictures, new style recommendation, and other services. All we have. In short, we provide customers with one-stop purchasing agency service. You are welcome to contact us. I believe we will give you a surprise. Okay, this is Sunny from Fruitful Trade. Subscribe to me, make your purchasing safer and easier. See you next time. Bye.